I'd like to show you how to operate your no idle heater that is in your new Cascadia truck and how it differs a little bit from some of the other trucks in our fleet. Depending on which engine you have in the new Cascadia, you may have optimized idle in it. Now this is equipped in the Detroit diesel engines. It's by far the most common engine in the new Cascadia. And if it has the optimized idle, we're going to show you how to use it with the optimized idle. Optimized idle prevents the engine from running unless it has a low battery condition or the engine oil temperature gets below 10 degrees. That's a good feature to have, especially in the winter months when you might be using the no idle heater excessively. The no idle heater burns about the same amount of fuel in 8 hours than this engine burns in an hour. So that's the reason we want you to use the no idle heater. Also, excessive idling in your engine, in a modern engine with emission controls, which all our trucks have, the excessive idling can damage the system. So that's the reason why we don't want the engines idling for excessive period of time. So we're showing you with the optimized idle, and then I'll show you again with a Cummins engine how to identify your truck with each engine, so this way you know how to use the system that's in your particular new Cascadia that you'll be using. The Detroit diesel engine, when you look at it under the hood, is a greenish gray in color. This is the engine that has optimized idle. As you can see on the clean idle sticker on the left hand door, it does clearly state also that it has a Detroit diesel engine in it. Now the Cummins engine is bright red, and it too will have a clean idle sticker on the side of the door that also will have the Cummins icon. This engine does not have optimized idle, so you'll do this one just a little bit different. To start the optimized idle in the new Cascadia, let's turn the key on. You can either start with a running engine. Doesn't really matter whether the engine's on or off at this point. Once your driver information screen comes up, go from the home page over to where the truck is. That's going to be your truck menu. Then you're just going to scroll down, we're using your left-hand steering wheel button, to where you see vehicle settings. Push your OK button. It puts you in the vehicle settings menu. Then go down to optimize idle. Press your OK again. It's going to give you the warning, and it's going to say if you wish to enable it, press OK. Press OK again. Now, this is very important. When you're using with the no idle heater, you do not want to use interior comfort mode, so just leave that off. The default will be your battery mode and cold startability. Press OK. You'll see the little icon come on the bottom, the green icon, the engine with the arrow spinning around it. That's letting you know the optimized idle is engaged. Now the engine, if it's running, it may shut off. If it's not running, it may start up. All depends on the conditions. If your truck is equipped with a Cummins engine, you must first start with the key in the off position. The heater will not run with the key in any position other than off. Now back in the sleeper area, you're going to see this thermostat. Push the power button one time to wake it up, and the next time to enable it. You'll see where it says heater enabled. Then you can simply select the temperature by red button for pushing the temperature up, blue button pushes the temperature down. Set it to your desired level and your heater will maintain that level. Now, to turn it off, you either just simply push the power button off, you'll see heater stopped, or change the key position, does the same thing. Now your climate control knobs that are in the sleeper area do not have any effect on the sleeper heater, so they will not do you any good. Now underneath the sleeper bunk in your storage area, you'll see this box. This is where your no idle heater is located. Now these two grates right here, this is your ventilation. Do not put anything on top of here while you're attempting using your no idle heater. It will overheat and prevent the system from operating. It will shut itself down. Same thing goes with the little vent that's underneath the sleeper that actually goes for the truck. Do not put anything in front of it because it will shut down the system.